I don't even see him, dude.
Neither do I. I can see him in the water.
I can see him in the water. Cupped up.
Nice, nice.
You're lucky because I almost. I know. I saw. I was like,
good stuff.
Let him come right in because it's too dark. I guess that would have been fun.
Yeah. Really close enough.
I'll wait on these two. They going?
They're not coming in. They're not coming in to take them. Nice shot. Good shot. That's pretty darn exciting.
I'm gonna go over this once. Okay, not chatter. If they hit the water, yeah, I will take it. Oh, shoot. That stupid one.
Good shooting, Tex.
I'm like, man, I'm too close to these bushes. I think we got one drake left. I gotta back up. My gun barrels. If we can get this one over here, I think that's the one we want.
You want coming in?
Yep.
Yep.
If he lands, oh.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Wait.
You ain't ready to take him, are you?
Who, me?
Yeah, he's only 40 yards.
Got
man.
some, had him.
I was going to.
I'm talking about right now. Don't wait till as soon as he jumps, you better be ready.
Right now?
Go. Oh, I was talking to the duck. I jumped up to scare him and you shot.
Go. On go. And the dog goes off and nobody shoots. Yep.
I jumped up to scare him and kaboomy.
Golly.
Yeah, I just jumped up, waved my hand, and he's dead already.
No, you're talking to Matt.
Got the shot on this.
Oh, man, he's getting out there.
Yeah,
There we go.
Shoot
job.
ya.
Shot.
Thanks, buddy.
Good job.
Oh.
They're coming easy. You blow, but just not quite. Don't be so aggressive.
It's too low.
I see him. Gonna wait for him or wait or what?
Take him.
Nice. No way.
Wait him. Dad, you call him. You call him.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
but let's wait on him.
I know, call us. You let us know what's up.
Wait a minute.
Yep.
Wait a minute. Okay, see the two green heads on the right? Two green heads, no, on the right, on the water,
Yeah, I see
You
him.
take the left one, you take the right one and get them.
Oh, he got dusted.
Huh? Be careful you don't shoot him.
Right.
I wouldn't have done that. Would you? No!
Who's got him? You got him, Dan?
Comes in over here.
Him.
I was gonna wait. He called him, so I was waiting. I was like, all right.
Yeah, he was still kind of on your side, so I figured.
Yeah.
Good shot, Dan.
Right.
I got him.
If he comes in the center, yeah.
Well, he'll come in the center. I'll let him. Oh, I guess not.
And we both hit him low? What? No way. Oh, dang, he's scooting too. That's a dead duck.
Ain't rid of that one. I'm gonna freaking have him over the shore.
I wanted him. Yeah.
Immature.
No, I said, did you have your gun?
I said I called it. I said I got him, and he pulled freaking a Buck Gardner. Oh, these are other birds?
Greenhead. Breathe. Breathe. Don't stop breathing. Breathe. Slow. Easy. In through the nose.
In through the nose, out through the call. But don't call. Don't call.
Well, I can't call now. It sounds like a laugh. It'd be a feeding call.
I'm just gonna let him work, I guess.
Come right in.
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
If they happen to land over here,
Yeah.
first thing I'm going to do is I'll take one step backwards. You won't be able to shoot, man.
That's fine.
But no, no.
They're coming.
Oh, I thought those guys shot.
You get taken with the fly over here? Oh, Henny's gonna fall off. Dumb head.
No, not now.
No, no.
Take one.
Oh, good shooting, Tex.
I thought that was a hen. I wasn't shooting it.
Well, it was hens, but that's all I could see.
Just take one or what?
Just the one on.
No, were they greenheads?
Yeah.
Is that a greenhead? No, it's a gadwall. Those
What?
are gadwalls. We could have got both them.
Yeah.
Oh, son of a gun.
Well, we should have taken them both.
But I wasn't 100% sure to say take both, so I was gonna take one of them.
This time around. I hear a goose. It's a hen, but that's okay if she comes in. If she gives us a good
is
shot.
it a hen?
Yeah, it's a hen.
No, it's a
oh, it's a
another duck.
gadwall.
Gotta let her go.
I don't
You little
freaking care.
bonehead. You don't care?
Well, if he comes back around.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Where is he?
Wait, no, 6 above us, 6 above us, 6 above us.
I know, but
Here they come, here they come.
just one greenhead.
We just need one.
Whatever it is.
We just need one.
We should have just desperate. Oh,
Take this one in front.
Sure.
Take this one in front. Get her. Dang.
Holy crap.
Jeez, man.
Super Doc! Her ass is
Jeez. Oh my gosh.
My pattern was too close when I shot her.
Well, yeah, I was about to
she was right here at these widgeon.
I was waiting for this greenhead that went over and...
He has a hen.
God. These other
Get him,
two
get
are
him, get him.
circling.
No, it's a drakey. Wait, no, it's a hen. No, it's a drake. Yeah, it's a drake.
Yep, take him.
Sail. Oh, jeez. He's gonna get ate up.
Look at this. Look at... I thought they were going to knock
They
you out.
almost knocked you out, dude.
Thought they
Buzz
were gonna-
bombers.
Wondered what I just heard behind my head.
I thought they were gonna-
That's a limit for the day. Limit of mallards.
Pick him up.
We got
Wrap them up, huh?
our others,
Got
2 gadwalls and a green wing teal.
Look at all this pile of birds right here. Look at these fellas.
All limited out. Figure we'll play with the birds a little. They're spinning.
Coming again. Fucked up and gonna die if we had no limit.
That one Susie.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just as we're going to pick up, another storm of birds comes in. This is how you make it happen. We're already limited and we're just toying with these guys.
Look at that fellas here. Hear the chat, hear the feed call.
Yeah, they're chattering back at us. Got a
Open
couple
for
of
my
birds.
canvas bag,
Oh, Susie over here.
Oh, there, that one's gonna light down. Right there, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Hear the wings.
No kidding.
They go over us.
Jeez.
There they are out in the lake.
You shoot your freaking limit and they just want to come pouring over top.
Here, call a couple times. Come back in after all. Oh, we got 5
Oh.
more over here. Or
2, 4, 6, 8.
6, 8 coming over here. That's the flock right there, about 15 or 20. And then there's 8 above right there.
There you go, right here.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Golly, listen to their wings. Oh my gosh.
Where the guys made up the Whistling Wings videos.
No kidding.
Look at all these.
Jeez. We
Megan,
got-
Megan, where you at, girl?
Yeah.
Michael Miller. Look here right in front of us. 5 of them gonna sit right in
Oh
here.
my gosh, yeah.
There you go. Look at this coming in.
Here they landing out in the center. 1, 2. Just land out there, guy. There you go.
There's still more over here to the right. Look at.
Once they start
Oh, wow.
collecting out there. Oh yeah, ooh, yeah. You see them on the water out there?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
All
Here you
little
go.
dots
8,
down
10
here.
coming in right here in front of us.
My gosh, they just don't stop. 3 just picked up over there.
Oh, come on, come in and land.
He's done.
Uh-huh. Bang, bang, bang. Oh my gosh, there's more. Jeez, we got 2 in front. We got 6 or 7 off.
These 2 are gonna come right in. Oh, nope, they turned. Wow. Well, I can't sound too bad because she's sitting right there listening, you know.
So I can set my hand
2
down.
little speed demons. Whatever they are.
Oh wow, freaking jets.
Were they teal?
Yeah.
Hear 'em whizzing by.
There she goes.
There she went. Wow, what a freaking way to end it.
Ain't that cool?